If you also apply to a millions of job and gets rejected every time you apply, so the fault is not in your skills, it is in the format of your resume. So in this video I will tell you the resume format that is ATS friendly and will definitely get you shortlisted. So this will increase your chances of getting shortlisted every time you apply for a job. So please be till the end of video to know everything in detail. Now let's move forward with the ATS friendly resume format. So this is the format of the resume. It is simple and also ATS friendly. And also it is personally tried and tested by me and got me shortlisted in many companies. I will also provide you the exact Word file in description. Download that Word file and edit your resume in Google Docs. So now let's see this resume in detail. So you will start with your name, put your name here, then your address, then your phone number, then your email, and then your LinkedIn URL. Also, when you will be mentioning your LinkedIn URL, then select the URL like this, then right click and go to insert link and insert the link of your LinkedIn. So it will be clickable link and will redirect the recruiter directly to your LinkedIn. Now let's move forward. So the next section is professional summary. So you can use Copilot to write your professional summary. Just give the following details to Copilot, like your degree, your skills, and your graduation year, and the projects you have made, and ask it to write a professional summary for you. So this was about professional summary. Now let's move forward. The next section is work experience. So if you are a working professional and if you have experience, you can mention it here. So here mention your title, like what was your job title, mention the company here, and mention the duration here in the format like this. And here add the highlights of your job, which you can also write through the help of Copilot. Copilot is a very good AI tool specifically for creating resumes. Now let's move forward. Next section is the education. So mention your degree here and the stream in which you are pursuing your degree. Mention your university name here and mention your course duration here. Please note that mention only year here, and here mention your CGPA. And if you are still pursuing your degree, then mention your current CGPA. If you have awarded any scholarship or any other highlights in your academics, you can mention it here and mention your schooling here. This is for class 12th. Mention the board here and school here, and also include your city of the school. And here mention your pass out year. And here mention your percentage that you have scored in your class 12th. And same for here as it is as above. So this resume is specifically tailored for tech professionals. So the skills include tech skills. So mention your tech skills here. You can add or remove these following sections as per your requirements and the role you are applying for. So this was about the technical skills section. In programming, you can add the programming languages. In web technologies, you can add technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and REST frameworks that are included in web technologies. You can add MySQL here. If you know any additional frameworks, you can add it here. And also the concepts like core subjects, operating system. In this core competencies section, you can add skills like problem solving skills, teamwork skills, good communication skills, and any extra skills that you want to add. Now let us move on to project section. So here you will mention the name of your project, and here you will mention the main feature of your project. For example, if I have developed a car buying website, then I will mention here car buying website. This will be according to the project that you have developed. Here mention the technologies that you have used in your project, and if you have deployed the project, then mention the live project link here. If you have mentioned your project on GitHub, then add the GitHub link here. Add the hyperlinks like this and insert link. Now add the highlights of your project here. Also try to add measurable insights to boost ATS score of your resume. Like for example, if you have developed a machine learning model, you can add measurable insights like you have improved accuracy of the model by 90%. So try to add measurable insights like this. This will help you in getting shortlisted. This shows recruiters that you have done an exceptional thing in your project work. You have improved something. So this adds a good remark about you and increase your chances of getting shortlisted. Now let us move on to next section, which is certifications. So add your certifications one by one according to the job requirements. Like if I am applying for AI role, I can add Gen AI certifications here, prompt engineering certifications here, and data science certifications here. So it will be according to your job requirements. Avoid unnecessary certifications which you don't have knowledge of because they will be asked in your interview. So please mention them accordingly. Now the next section is highlights. So add additional highlights here. Like you can add good at communication skills. You can add you managed a team of people. You can add exceptional interpersonal skills, strong problem solving skills. If you have a good lead code, you can also mention it here. Also, your soft skills can be added here, and anything you want to add here, but keep it accordingly with the job description. So, this was about the resume format. I will provide you the exact format in the Word file in description so you can download this and then open this file in Google Docs and then edit the file to correctly make your resume. This is the very clean and ATS friendly format for your resume and it will help you in getting shortlisted everywhere. So this was about the resume. Also please note that after creating the resume for the particular job description, check the ATS score of your resume before applying. Try to maintain it between 90 to 95 to get shortlisted easily.